decomposition method. It is also called as Crowd's method of solving the equations. Now consider here there are three equations being given. You need to remember three formula here. First one, LU equal to A, Ly equal to B, Ux equal to 1. If you remember these three, it is very easy to solve using the LU decomposition. So first, let me write the matrix in the form of Ax equal to B. Okay. Now, what is A here? So, A is nothing but the coefficients. So, this is it. Next, X, nothing but the unknowns. X, Y, Z. Next, B is nothing but the resulting values. Now, after this, the first one is LU equal to A. So, LU equal to A. So, what is L here? L is nothing but the lower triangle matrix. Okay. Next, U is nothing but the upper triangle matrix. Okay. Now, what is this U actually? See, now let me write this. L, lower triangle matrix means what? Here, all the upper elements are zeros. Okay. So, now, let me write these elements. L11 means row 1, column 1. Next, second row, first column. L2, L22. Next, L31, L32 and L33. This is L matrix. Into U. U is nothing but the upper triangular matrix, but here the lower triangle matrix are what? So 0. And the principal diagonal elements are 1 here. Now the remaining elements U12, U13 and this is U23 is equal to A. So what is A? Nothing but the coefficients. 131, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 5. So this is according to our first formula, that is LU equal to A. Now let me solve this. Multiplication you know, right? So first row into first column, that is L11 because the remaining are zeros. So that is equal to what? 1. So we got L11 as 1. Next, now the next one, first row into second column, that is L11 into U12. Okay, remaining are zeros. That is equal to what? 1. So we know the value of L11, therefore U12 is equal to 1. Next, first row with third column, that is L11 into U13 and the remaining are zeros. That is equal to 1. So we know the value of L11, that is 1. Therefore U13 is 1. Next, second row into first column. What is that? L21. Okay. So that is 3 because here the remaining elements are 0. So L21 is 3. Next, second row with second column. L21 into U12 plus L22 into 1. That is equal to 1. So here we know the value of U21, that is 3. Next, U12 1 plus L22 is equal to 1. So 3 plus L22 is equal to 1. Therefore, L22 is equal to what? 1 minus 3. L22 is equal to minus 2. Next, second row with third column, that is L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. Okay, that is equal to minus 3. So now L21 is 3 into U13 is 1 plus L22 is minus 2 into U23 equal to minus 3. Now 3, okay, we'll get this here, this becomes plus 3 and this becomes plus here 2 U23. So 2 U23 is equal to 6. So U23 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay, now the last row, that is last row with the first column, L31, okay, is equal to 1. Next, last row with the second column, L31 into U12 plus L32 into 1 is equal to minus 2. So L31 is 1 into U12 1 plus L32 is equal to minus 2. So L32 is equal to what? Minus 2 minus 1. So L32 is equal to minus 3. Next, third row with third column. So that is L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23, okay, plus L33 into 1 it is. That is equal to minus 5. So now L31 1 into U13 1 plus L32 minus 3 into U23 3 plus L33 is equal to minus 5. So here is 1 minus 9 plus L33 equal to minus 5. So L33 equal to what? Minus 5, and this is minus 8. It becomes plus 8 here. Therefore L33 equal to 3. So now we have got all the values of what? Unknowns. Now let me write the lower triangle matrix as well as the upper triangle matrix. L as well as U, that is lower matrix as well as upper matrix. Now the next one is Ly equal to B. So Ly equal to B. What is L? We have it into Y is nothing but the column matrix Y1, Y2, Y3, and B is nothing but 1, 5, 10. So now cross multiply Y1 equal to 1. Next 3Y1 minus 2Y2 0 is equal to 5. So Y1 is 1. 3 minus 2Y2 equal to 5. So minus 2Y2 equal to 5 minus 3. Minus 2Y2 equal to 2. Therefore Y2 equal to minus 1. Next, this one. Y1 minus 3Y2 plus 3Y3 is equal to 10. So Y1 1 minus 3 into Y2 minus 1 plus 3Y3 equal to 10. 1 plus 3 plus 3Y3 equal to 10. So 4 plus 3y3 equal to 10. 3y3 equal to 10 minus 4. Therefore, 3y3 equal to 6. Therefore, y3 equal to 2. This is how we got the values of y also. After this, we have the third and the last one. Ux equal to y. So, Ux equal to y. So, U is nothing but the upper matrix that we have. Into X is nothing but the unknown variables x, y, z is equal to y. That is nothing but we have y matrix. What is that? 1, minus 1, 2. Now, cross multiply. See here, directly we can get value here. What is that? Z is equal to 2. And here, y plus 3z is equal to minus 1. So, y plus 3 into z is 2. Y plus 3 to 6 equal to minus 1. Therefore, y equal to minus 1 minus 6. Y equal to minus 7. Next, x plus y plus z. Okay, cross multiplication is equal to 1. So, x plus y means minus 7 plus z is 2 equal to 1. X minus 5 equal to 1. X equal to what? 1 plus 5. Therefore, x equal to 6. So, this is how we got the values of x, y, z using the LU decomposition method or Krauss method.